The Second World War was a period of immense suffering, and few things capture its horror as vividly as the sounds of its battlefields. The roar of bomber planes filled the air, a mechanical menace that promised devastation. The sharp crack of gunfire echoed constantly, a stark reminder of the ever-present threat of death. And amidst the din, the cries of soldiers and civilians, caught in the conflict, pierced through the noise, revealing the profound human cost. These were the sounds of fear, chaos, and immense loss. They formed a brutal soundscape that defined one of history's most destructive wars. These sounds represent the intensity of battle, the stark reality of violence, and the deep sense of grief experienced by so many. Powerful and chilling, they serve as a constant reminder of the true price of war, a somber echo that continues to resonate today, urging us to remember the past and strive for peace.